Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro from Samsung. Yes, your boy finally got these bad boys here. Your man finally got them. I have been excited for these because I do enjoy the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So let me go ahead and show you guys those real quick. As you guys can see right here, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Been staying up to date on these. These are some nice buds. And as you guys can see, these were much more so to be fitted within ear. And I know my initial excitement, if you guys have seen my YouTube short on this, these initially and for the most part actually fit in the ear and stay in the ear pretty well. And having this nice kind of ring style case for them, will you marry me? Has proven to be very, very well protective for the actual buds themselves, and the material has held up very, very well. That's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, as we see, have taken a new look. And so without further ado, let's get into the box. We know that there's some controversy here in regards to the look and shape of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and that is because they kind of resemble AirPods Pro as well. Now that I finally got the box to be open, let's go ahead and do that. You get some packaging right here real quick, and it's really just probably going to be, a cable to charge them, yep, and the instruction manual. So let's go ahead and pull that stuff out real quick. Nice USB-C to C, I believe that is. And then, of course, as I mentioned, the instruction, plastic, along with the instruction manual and guide right here. As you guys see, this quick start guide, as they call it. So let's go ahead and put that right there. And then if we grab the bottom here, we see right here what they are intending for the shape of them to do, which is kind of fit in your ear a little bit different. Provide some noise cancellation via the ear tips. So let's go ahead and put this all right there for now. And I got these silver pair because these look ultra fire in my opinion. And if you guys can tell, even the carrying case or the charging case for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro look vaguely similar to the AirPods Pro case. So much so that the head of Samsung was a little concerned as well to see that the development team and R&D team decided to go in this direction. Now, in my opinion, I don't think it's a bad look, and I actually think these look better than the AirPods Pro 2 because of their moniker calling these blades. I think these look a lot better. I think they're a little bit better designed than the AirPods Pro 2, in my opinion, as well. And just like that, upon opening, now I do like that they do the animations as on their devices with their mobile technology, their wearable technology, similar to other companies like an Apple. And I think Google might animate theirs as well, but I'm not 100% certain. And as you guys can see, it doesn't take long for the buds to actually connect and download the software. And as it does, I usually just agree to all. I hit opt in, basically. Adaptive noise control, which is what I use on my AirPods Pro, is what I'm going to use on here. And adaptive noise control will cancel noise when necessary, but then also allow noise when necessary. So that could be very based off of the environment that you're in. That could be based off of the amount of conversation that could be taking place around you. So some form of voice detection, conversation awareness. The adaptive noise control maneuvers that a lot better than picking one hard, option or feature such as noise cancellation or transparency. And so I'm gonna hit next on that. Voice and siren detection, as I just kind of previously mentioned, this is also able to detect sirens. So if you have emergency services nearby or passing by, this will allow you to actually hear that and be responsive to it on your end, so that way you don't get hit by anything, or you can have fast reactions to emergency services in your area. Now, these came with 22% charge on the carrying case, and you can see that buds are actually charged for the most part, so it's interesting that they're not 100%, and you see the case is draining as we speak, so that's going to be interesting. Adjustable noise control automatically based on the loudness of your surroundings. That's what I like to see, and that's something that I actually want to use, but I won't actually be able to use that until I actually put these on. So upon taking before I take them out, because you guys, I got to do the fit test for these. So give me a second on that. We're just going to explore a little bit as to what's going on with these buds. And so in the settings here, as you guys can see, we have auto switch to ambient sound. We have sound quality and effects, and I like the fact that there's boost dialogue. I think that works very, very well. Loudness normalization, I like that as well. Prevent sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. I like that it tries to normalize each piece of media so one's not louder than the other. That's a good feature there. And I like boost dialogue because, like with TV shows and movies, oftentimes dialogue can be very low, but these make it easier to hear voices in videos that have other background sounds. I like that. Now, hear wise, I like using dynamic because dynamic often provides some better quality and enhanced quality. And then 360-degree audio with head tracking turned off. I don't like the head tracking, so this provides vivid, immersive sound coming from all directions, so you feel like you're right in the action when you watch videos or listen to music. So that's what I like about that. I just don't like head tracking because I don't like when I swing my head, the sound's only coming from one side. I don't really care for that, but I like the other features of it. Adjust sound to fit, I like that as well. So make sure it ensures that you have a good connection in your ears. Advanced quality options here. Use ultra quality audio, which is fine with me. And you got super wideband speech, get clearer sound and calls with 16 kilohertz bandwidth. That's pretty cool. And then the ultra high quality or UHQ mode, get professional level audio playback with up to a 96 kilohertz sample rate. Sound response may lag in some apps. So depending on if our ears can even hear that, that kind of frequency, the point is you're going to get the best sound quality for your ears with that feature turned on. And that is pretty much it for now in terms of some of these features. I think I'm going to leave it there for now and actually come back with another video to highlight the actual features of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. One of the things I like doing is going into the settings here. And then if I come down here, I like to check to see if there's any updates. And so upon clicking on that, I'll hit download and install to see if there's one. And will I download it on screen? I may. And there is one. 7.7 megabytes. The stability and reliability has been improved. So the stability of Bluetooth Connect and sound has been improved. And might as well go ahead and let it update now. So let me go. Well, I think I have to leave it open, but allow that to copy. One of the things that happened when Samsung first released these was the fact that these had a bad kind of ear tip quality assurance situation. And so Samsung did have to, they did kind of halt sales while they fixed that. So actually good on them to do that. And now, speaking about ear tips, here are the ear tips you can change out to make sure that they fit in your size ears. I'm probably going to put the small ones on because my ear canals are actually a little bit smaller. But it is nice to see that Samsung caught that as fast as they could to then make sure that we would have a better experience dealing with our Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro when we finally received them, so we wouldn't have any problems when receiving them now. So I'm sure that issue should have been resolved since that was like a couple months ago. And now I'm ready to kind of try these out. I think they're still updating here, so I'm not even going to try to touch them. Well, they're copying update right now. So I actually could take these out. Now, if you guys are ready, we can get into that ear fit test. All right, here we go. So as you guys can see, is asking to put them in to test the fit on the actual Galaxy Buds themselves. And so why not do that cool close-up again? How about that? Bada boom, bada bang. That's what they be doing their thumbnails, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to pop in this one. I'm definitely going to have to change the ear tip. So let's just go ahead and put these in for now. Oh, okay, hold up. These seem like they almost fit better than the AirPods Pro. Okay, they're in. Hold up. Now this one's moving over here. Maybe it's because I'm talking. Now I have it on active noise cancellation. What I'm gonna put it on adaptive. Okay. And now it's letting some of that ambient sound back in. I like that. Auto switch to ambient sound. So I would say siren detect. I'll put it on for siren detect, right? Use ambient sound during phone calls. No, I don't want to do that. But voice detect, see, it says for your safety and to make conversation easier, you can turn on ambient sound automatically when you start speaking or a siren is detected. After auto detection, you can pinch an earbud to end ambient sound immediately. So that's pretty cool there. So, all right. All right. All right, we there. You know what I'm saying? We ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so they fit in the ears way better than the AirPods Pro 2 as of right now. And this is with the standard actual ear tips. So I might leave these on because they're filling my ears pretty well. So I'm a little surprised. I'm happy about that right now. And they look kind of stylish, you know what I'm saying? Now we do know that these have blades that they light up, right? And so let's jump into earbud controls. So if I want to do that, you can media controls, you can pinch or swipe up and down. And so it looks like it's located on the back. So if I want to pinch to play, I can do that. Double pinch for next track. And then you got swipe up and down to control volume. So if I go ahead, okay, I see it's responding, as you guys can see. When I swipe up, you see my volume is changing. Okay, interesting. If I pinch it, nothing happens. If I pinch it twice, I hear clicking in the background. So these controls actually work. It's interesting that it's on the back side of the actual Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, but it does work. And I like that. And if you triple pinch, of course, you'll go back to the previous track. So I like media controls. That seems like it works. We know like the AirPods Pro, they're on the front of the stem, but on the blades here, because Samsung calls these blades, which sounds better, it's on the back side of the blade. So that's pretty cool. So if you want to answer a call or end it, you pinch. To decline a call, you pinch and hold. So you'll be able to distinguish that pretty well. Earbud lights control is steady. To turn the lights on or off, pinch and hold both earbuds when they're out of the case and not in your ears. Lights will show when the battery for each bud is at least 30%. So in order to get these to light up, you can't have them in your ears, which is interesting. I could do a steady, I could do a fade in and out. I think I like the fade in and out approach because it kind of gives that like that pulse feel. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that right there. And I think I'm pretty much good on that in terms of earbud control. So if I leave earbud controls now, I come into earbud settings. This is for another day. So let's check the sound of the software update to see if there's any more. There was one, and that's it so far. So these are updated now as of October 9th, 2024. And I won't have to worry about that anymore. Any of these other controls, I'm going to, of course, do in another video. So that way I can break down the features for you guys. But as of right now, these seem like these are doing pretty well. Oh, you also have camera. What? There's camera settings. Your buds can capture realistic 3D sound when you record videos. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. So if you click on, okay, hold up. Hold up. What? Capture more 3D sound too. Oh, all right. So again, more stuff to come in the next video, but I did want to highlight you guys see the fit test that way. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get funky with these, okay? Adaptive noise control pairing with a phone or tablet. So we're good there. What else we got? Yep. You also got Samsung Find, so you can actually add these in your system so that way they can be found. And all you got to do is click on that setting and they'll pop up in your Find. So I have that now for these for me as well. So I'm actually liking the fact that these are working so far from that perspective. Now, the ultimate test is actually playing some music. I use Apple Music, funny enough. Haha. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit play and see what ends up playing. Hey. 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 Okay. Ooh, that the bass sounds kind of nice on these. Oh, okay. Oh, look. Okay. Okay. I like. Okay. The music sounds very clear. That's what I like. That it sounds very, very clear. Oh yeah, yeah, no, I lose my boy. Don't let me. Hey, don't let me start dancing on this boy now. Don't let me start dancing in this piece now. Hold up. The sound. Let me skip into it a little bit. Ooh, I don't even have it turned up all the way. Little man, you see that bandit hanging? That means I like a bandit, like a bandit, bandit. I got. You never seen it. Oh, yes. The parking lot. and I know what you want. Ah. Oh, all right. All right, let me know you guys' thoughts and comments down in the comment section below. What you guys think about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro? Do you have a pair? You think about getting them? Are you on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro? That's a conversation for another day as well. Should you upgrade? We're going to get into that as we continue to test these out. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell. It's all free. That was a video, so you and I can sit back, check, see who's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's where to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. So Micah signing out to the next video. Whew. Wait for it.